Learn Kidhy. Hi, I'm Kidhy, your learning buddy today. We will learn about playground. Let's go! Let's read a short story called Our Playground. Hi, my name is Anna. This is our school playground. I like to play with my friends here. I always play the swings at our playground. I like the swings. Oh, that's my friend on the monkey bar, Andy. He likes the monkey bar. And this is Lily. She said, I like the sandbox. We play here every day. We like our playground. Now grab your pencil and paper. Let's write things you like in the playground. Playground. I like playground. I like playground. Swings. I like the swings. I like the swings. Slides. I like the slides. I like the slides. Monkey bar. I like the monkey bar. I like the monkey bar. Yay! We have learned about playground. Great job, everyone. Thank you. Bye.